If your automatic transmission starts slipping during shifts or feels like it is stuck in one gear, you might be facing the diagnostic trouble code P2829. This code tells you that the Pressure Control Solenoid K is either having performance issues or is stuck in the off position. Your transmission is a complex hydraulic machine that uses bands and clutches to change gears, and these are all controlled by fluid pressure. The Powertrain Control Module, or PCM, uses several solenoids to direct this pressurized fluid exactly where it needs to go at just the right millisecond. If solenoid K is not responding, the transmission cannot find the right gear ratio, which might cause the vehicle to enter a limp mode to prevent further internal damage. You will probably see the check engine light and notice your fuel economy getting worse because the engine is working harder to overcome the transmission issues. The most common cause is actually dirty or contaminated transmission fluid that has clogged the tiny passages inside the solenoid or the valve body. A clogged transmission filter or a failing transmission pump can also drop the pressure enough to trigger this code. You should start by checking your transmission fluid level and looking at its color and smell. If the fluid looks dark or smells burnt, it is a sign of internal wear and it is time for a fresh filter and new fluid. Make sure to check for any technical service bulletins for your specific vehicle, because sometimes a simple software flash for the computer can fix shifting problems. You should also do a visual inspection of the wiring harness and connectors on the outside of the transmission case for any signs of corrosion or broken pins. If you are a bit more advanced, you can use a digital multimeter to check for 0 ohms of resistance in the wiring. Just remember to perform these continuity checks with the power off so you do not cause a short circuit. If the wiring is good and the fluid is clean but the problem persists, the solenoid itself or the transmission valve body might need replacement. Transmission work can be very technical, so if a fluid change does not do the trick, it is usually best to see a specialist who can run a pressure test to find the exact mechanical failure. Keeping your transmission healthy is the key to a long-lasting vehicle, and addressing this code early can prevent a very expensive rebuild in your future.